This is an executive briefing from a top healthcare investment bank. Today, we are going to discuss the European CE mark approval of ReGelTec, Inc. as HYDRAFIL System for the treatment of chronic low back pain resulting from degenerative disc disease or DDD. This breakthrough approval positions ReGelTec to transform the standard of care for millions of patients across Europe who suffer from debilitating chronic low back pain. The HYDRAFIL system is a percutaneous hydrogel implant. In simpler terms, it's an injectable substance that when injected into a damaged disc helps to restore its height, reduce pain, and improve function. It's like a liquid band-aid for the spine. The CE mark approval was supported by a clinical study involving 75 patients across Europe. The results showed over 80% improvement in Western Disability Index, or ODI scores, and more than 70% reduction in pain as measured by the numeric pain rating scale. These improvements were sustained over a 2-year follow-up period. The HYDRAFIL procedure is performed on an outpatient basis under local anesthesia. It involves injecting the hydrogel into the degenerated disc, where it solidifies and provides long-term pain relief. This approach is less invasive than traditional spinal surgeries, such as discectomy and fusion, making it a more attractive option for patients and providers. The target market for HYDRAFIL is massive. Chronic low back pain affects over 1 billion people worldwide, and DDD is one of its leading causes. While there are many treatment options available, most are either conservative care, which may not be effective, or highly invasive surgery, which carries significant risks and long recovery times. This leaves a large group of patients with no good options for treatment. ReGelTec's hydrogel technology is made of small molecules that mimic the natural biomechanics of the intervertebral disc. When injected into a damaged disc, the hydrogel expands and helps to restore its height and hydration. This not only relieves pressure on the disc, but also redistributes spinal loads more evenly, reducing pain and improving function. In addition to the strong clinical evidence supporting its efficacy and safety, the outpatient capability of the procedure is a major value driver. Traditional spinal surgeries require lengthy hospital stays, which can result in additional costs and complications. The HYDRAFIL procedure can be performed in a single visit, reducing the need for hospitalization and associated expenses. The HYDRAFIL system addresses a significant unmet need in the market and aligns with current trends in healthcare that favor minimally invasive treatments. As such, it is poised to become the new standard of care for the millions of patients suffering from DDD-related chronic low back pain. Before we go, we'll quickly cover the competitive landscape to ReGelTec's path to commercialization. In the next few minutes, ReGelTec's primary competitors include companies focused on injectable therapeutics, regenerative medicine, and cell therapy for spinal disorders. However, none of these companies have a product on the market that has the same level of regulatory approval and clinical validation as the HYDRAFIL system. Looking ahead, ReGelTec is well positioned to capture a significant share of the market by forming strategic partnerships with European healthcare providers and distributors, investing in physician and patient education, continuing clinical research to expand indications, and exploring opportunities in other markets. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.